Citizens Movement for Free Elections, pati ang civic group na Regional Emergency Assistance Communications Team. Pinalakas din ang aming alyansa ng iba't ibang academic institutions, kabilang ang University of the Philippines, University of San Tomas, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, De La Salle University, Ateneo School of Government, at AMA Education System. Hanggang sa mga probinsya, meron kaming regional school partners, ang University of Northern Philippines, University of Luzon, Ateneo de Naga University, University of Nueva Cáceres, University of San Carlos, Silliman University, Central Philippine University, University of St. La Salle Bacolod, Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, Central Mindanao University Bukidnon, Holy Cross of Davao College, Notre Dame of the Jangas University, Western Mindanao State University, at sa unang pagkakataon, kasama na rin natin ang member schools ng National Collegiate Athletic Association of the Philippines o NCAA, ang Arellano University, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, De La Salle College St. Benil, Emilio Aguinaldo College, Jose Rizal University, Lyceum of the Philippines University, San Sebastian College Recoletos, University of Perpetual Health System Dalta. Katuwang din namin ang ilang premyadong legal at business group, ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines,